Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm going to show you the difference between 20 and 28 gauge wire. So to show you the difference between the 28 gauge wire and the 20 gauge wire, I'm using artistic wire in different colors. I'm going to use the red one from this so it'll show up a little better in the video, and then this is just the standard silver color. This is non-tarnished silver, which is great, so you don't have to worry about it tarnishing. So if we'll just cut a little piece of the 20 gauge here, you'll see the smaller the number, the thicker the wire. I know it's hard to wrap your head around at first if you're not familiar with wire gauges, but that's how it works. So this 28 gauge is a bigger number, and you'll see it's much thinner than the 20 gauge wire. I love the 28 gauge wire because you can actually crochet with the wire, which is super cool. So I'll just show you briefly how to do that. I have a lot of videos on my channel with different techniques. I have a few with the crochet technique. I'll link them up below. Another fun thing you can do with this thin copper wire is coil it around another wire, which is really cool. I have one for a rainbow coil. I'll link up below. And something I was just introduced to recently is string art using either the 28 or 26 gauge wire. So I'm going to be getting into that soon. Stay tuned to learn more about doing string art with wire. That was inspired by Beadalon, so I'm excited about that. So there we go. Just see how you do the crochet with like a little, it's like thread. Like there's a lot you can do with this. It's super fun. So that's the 28 gauge wire. And then for the 20 gauge wire, this is what I usually use to wrap my stones. I just find it's nice. It's a nice medium weight, and it's solid, so it's not going to break if you're wearing the stone as a necklace or what have you. So for this, there's all kinds of things you can do with it. You can make spirals, you can do different shapes, and it works really well. It's not too thick. It's just like a nice kind of thickness, sort of a medium thickness, the 20 gauge. If you're making rings, I would advise more, for at least for the base of the ring, to use 18 gauge because it's a little thicker. And sometimes it also depends on the company that you're buying the wire for. There could be variations as well. So just to show you quick, these are great for earrings. Like I really love using the 20 gauge wire for earrings. It's probably my preferred wire. So there we go. So that's the 20 gauge and the 28 gauge. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my wire work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so I'll link that up below, and I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.